Hello, what's up everybody? Welcome to Gone Rogue, a show where I help you become a kick-ass bartender because remember, drinking is no easy game. Today on this episode, I'm here to present to you these lovely, wonderful drinks. These are the zero proof drinks from the house of Swami. Let me take you quickly through these. So the first one here is called the non-alcoholic gin and tonic. Now, most of you would be wondering, what the hell is a non-alcoholic gin and tonic? Yes, it might not contain gin in it, but it has the lovely flavors of juniper berries, which eventually makes gin. That's a non-alcoholic gin and tonic. It says zero proof, and I love the fact it says curiously sober drinks. The next one we have here is a non-alcoholic rum and cola. I'm sure it has flavors of cinnamon, vanilla, really rich mouthfeel, and the cola is in-house too, so I'm expecting a really nice fizz to it. And the third one is a pink gin and tonic. Yes, it says it's a pink gin and tonic, but nothing girly about it. Lovely flavors of berries and really the summer afternoon drink. What I'm going to help you today with is help you taste these flavors. So no cocktails, no alcohol in here, just the Swami zero proof drinks straight from the bottle into a glass, but make it look beautiful. So let's start with the gin and tonic first. I'm gonna move these to the side. We'll start with some citrus. So we have a nice goblet. Get a nimbu slice, place it in there. Next we have a lemon slice, place it above the nimbu. An orange slice, place it above the lemon. And then we have the grapefruit slice. So place it above the orange. Just like that. You see that? Load your glass up with ice. Full of it. And we've got the Swami non-alcoholic gin and tonic. New trick. Not happening. Just like that. Perfect. Just gonna pour that out. And that's a perfect serve, isn't it? Right? Lovely looking drink. You've not done anything, just poured out of a bottle, a slight touch to the garnish, and voila. Nice. So you get the juniper straight off on your face first, and then you have this really tumbling citrus, and when you see the citrus, it becomes more predominant. So you have the tonic, not so overpowering. You have the gin, the juniper playing the role. And of course, you have that beautiful citrus there. The next one is the rum and cola. So for a rum and cola, the most important thing is the glass. You don't have to go with a very tall glass, but you have to go with a decently tall but good size glass because it's a lot of ice is needed in here. So we load it up with ice. As I said, what I'm looking in here, with the color you can make out, it's not like a regular cola brand. It is super dark in color and super dense. So I'm looking at a very, very profound flavor of rum and cola in here. Open that. The fizz looks amazing. Whoa, look at that fizz. Perfect. Again, a perfect serve. Perfect bottle size, and just give it a nice squeeze of lime. Taste wise, surely not too sweet. Dense, so you have that density of the rum which is really playing in, shows that it's a good quality spirit, non-alcoholic spirit which is being used in here, and tastes amazing. Lovely, pretty looking pink gin and tonic. What makes this one pink is the berries used in it. So I'm surely looking at the sourness and the sweetness from the berries. And I'm gonna get a nice long glass for this one because I really want to showcase the berries. Gonna drop in a couple of slices of strawberries. Load it up with a lot of ice again. And open this one up. Again, decent fizz, not too much fizz. I don't think you need so much fizz in this one. The color's amazing. Smells strawberry straight up, even before going near the glass. The fizz in the bottle is not so great, but in the glass it looks nice. I can smell the strawberry still here. Nice. So it's got the tart of the berries, not super sweet, but there is a touch of sweetness, which I think is coming from the berries and the tonic. And the gin is very subtle, not very juniper forward, but you feel that there is gin, there is a spirit in it. It's just not just a strawberry tonic water. So yeah, these are your 3 new amazing liquids from the house of Swami, and go check it out, because drinking non-alcoholic drinks is not something you should be ashamed of, not something you should be shy of. It is you, when you are smart, you know when to pace down your drinks. Like yesterday night for me was a very heavy drinking night, so I'm gonna stick to my rum and cola. Check them out, wonderful product. Give them a thumbs up, give us a thumbs up, like, comment and subscribe to 3 Bar Stools. Until then, sober out.